Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the P-SB11. So it comes with the box, headphones and instruction manual. So basically this is a Spirit Box. So it's a radio designed for ghost hunters that scans through radio stations without stopping. So basically you hear white noise in between stations, and you obviously hear stations as well, whatever's coming through. Obviously some stations are broadcast on, so you might get odd bits of radio coming through. Battery goes in there, so it's 9 volt square battery. You have the fold out stand, so you can stand it up. It has the female 1/4 inch thread, so you can put it on a tripod if you wish to. It comes with a lanyard, so you can strap it to your hand, so in case you drop it, it's not hit the floor. So basically, this is a high-end one. It's basically got 2 Spirit Box radios inside one unit, so you could have one scanning slow and one scanning fast at the same time, or you can have one scanning forwards and one back at the same time, or one scanning AM, one scanning FM at the same time. Any combination, because they're both individually controlled. Either can be doing anything, either one at a time or both at the same time. So it's got many of the features, including a light. The unit's turned off at the moment, but yeah, the light button's there, which is there. Off in the middle, or if you put it on the bottom, it turns the temperature on. So if the temperature increases by 1 or 2 degrees, it'll show you one here. Same if it decreases, also comes with sound. And the antenna is here. The antenna can be turned on or off. So here we can turn it off on AM, or off on FM only, or off on AM and FM, or on AM and FM. So basically, the P-SB11 does try and cut out known radio stations, so most of it you won't hear, but there will be odd bits going through, so just bear that in mind. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So we turn it on with the power button. I'll just show the light. It's there, red light. Doesn't look very bright in here because obviously got sunlight coming in. So I'll turn it back off. And if you put it down to the bottom, you get the temperature there. So obviously if this increases in temperature, it's going to go up. If it decreases, it's going to go down. When it gets to either end, you can just click reset and it goes back into the middle and resets it to the new temperature. We'll turn it off for now. Antenna we're going to leave on for AM and FM. So you can see here, this is the light for that shows you the channel 1 Spirit Box is on. This is the light that shows you channel 2 Spirit Box is on. You press function to turn either one on its own, the other one on its own, or both on. So that's just channel 1 on, that's just channel 2 on, that's both on. Just for simplicity of this video, I'll just show you with one. We can switch between AM and FM here. We see down here we've got FM and AM. The red light means FM, so we're currently in FM. So if we press that, we go into AM, so you'll see it's moved over to this side. Majority of the time you'd want to use FM, but if you're getting too much radio stations come through, you can always switch to AM. So basically we can sweep forwards or backwards. So this is sweep backwards, the reverse button. Forwards button to sweep forwards. So we'll start forwards. So that's scanning very, very fast by default. So it's currently set at 50, and we can change the sweep rate and slow it down by pressing this, and you'll see that move up. So if we go up to about 250 milliseconds, that's what I usually use. Gives you, it's a bit slowed down and gives you more chance to hear responses. I've also got the volume here too. Yeah, it's got a very loud, powerful and clear speaker as well. So basically you can ask questions and listen back for responses live. And also the other one can be turned on, and you can have that one going as well. That's it for the demonstration. If you'd like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.